How to add desktop icons on Windows 10. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to add desktop icons on Windows 10. Desktop icons are shortcuts to your favorite apps, folders, or files, making them easily accessible right from your desktop. Let's dive in. First, let's start by right-clicking on any empty area of your desktop. From the context menu, select Personalize. In the personalization settings, navigate to the Themes section. Scroll down until you find related settings and click on Desktop Icon Settings. In the Desktop Icon Settings window, you'll see a list of available desktop icons such as Computer, Users Files, Network, Control Panel, and Recycle Bin. Select the icons you want to add to your desktop by checking the corresponding boxes. Once you've made your selections, click Apply and then OK to save the changes. Now, take a look at your desktop, and you'll see the icons you've selected added to the desktop. You can also rearrange the icons on your desktop by clicking and dragging them to a new position. You've successfully added desktop icons on Windows 10. It's a simple way to keep your favorite apps and files within easy reach. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Windows tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.